friend. Loosen up. Inhale and exhale. Yeah. Let's give you a small adjustment, buddy. Inhale. Exhale. There. How's this now?
Yeah, that's better.
Nice, better? Wow. More loose. There. Loosen up. More loose. There. Relax again. Cool. Easy. Feels good now?
Better.
Feels better? No pains, no
pain.
aches, no discomfort?
No, nothing.
Yeah. Was that before when you came in here?
No, that time I was just not walking straight.
Yeah. Now you are straight. Yeah?
Yeah. Come and do visit him if you are in too much pain, because this is like an unbearable pain for me before I came in here, and after visiting him, I think I'm feeling much better. No problem in keeping my heel down too.
Super.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.